hands down, the man from Twin Peaks with the overactive gallbladder. Oh, Elvis almost left the building right there. Crazy Legs Conti from New York City. Eric Badlands Booker from Jamaica, Queens, New York City. Patrick Bertoletti from Chicago, Illinois. Ben Monson from Twin Peaks, California. And with 7 pounds, 1 minute 45 seconds remain, Joey Jazz Chestnut from San Jose, Eric Badlands Booker from Jamaica, Queens, give me some. We are waiting right now. We will announce the winner in just a few seconds. Thousands of dollars on the line here. It's Bud Light. It's the main stage. Blue Oyster Cult tonight, this afternoon. Gentlemen, my friend, Joey's friend, Joey's ex-friend. Every sport has a heartthrob. Patrick is ours. A chemistry professor from Northwestern University, 6 pounds, Patrick Bertoletti. It's got Bayo Bayo. In second place, the man with the overactive gallbladder and the elongated incisors. They used to make fun of him in grade school, but he showed them today. With 6 pounds and 13 ounces, Ben Monson! And in first place, from San Jose, California. With 8 pounds and 7 ounces. The 5-time Stockton asparagus eating champion of the world.